So what have we got then? The clutch is seized. The engine's free with the plug sort of half in it. It does have a bit of compression, but I'd have thought a 500, well, 480 would have more than that. A nice pop to it there.
Yeah. Have you got a plug that will go in it?
Yeah, I like it.
Uh-huh.
Looks like the one. Oh no, it's not. I wonder if that is the plug. What is that? B80G. It's just the. I think it's just missing the clip inside. Yeah, it's there. Hmm. Look at the bolts for the intake have actually just corroded away completely. There's just nothing there.
Yeah, it might be fun to dismantle.
Otherwise, it doesn't seem too bad. But there's some bad corrosion in bits. So see that there?
Is that bit meant to be straight?
Well, it's offset, isn't it? Yeah, it's offset from the bike. That's not actually bent. Just part of the design, isn't it? To make way for the air filter and everything. Yeah, look at that. Look at the corrosion on the kickstand, which just blown it away completely. Oh, fucking like new. Looks rather full. Quite high up. Oh, I suppose, maybe not. Soon get tired kicking over a bike with your leg halfway in the air. I think we're asking a lot there, aren't we?
Just a little bit.
But it's just hear it bang. Don't know what the reed valve's doing or anything. Cool though, isn't it?
Worth a bash?
I mean, for a fucking bike, it's probably been on its side in the field for the best part of 30 years. Or at least it looks like.
God loves a trier, and we've tried.
There you go, sports fans. Good bang, that was a bang, wasn't it? Okay, now. Definitely a flame at the exhaust. That's the problem with these things, fuck's sake. So you think it's got no compression, but it has. It's got compression, it's when you get to what I've noticed with, well, what I think you're supposed to do with the two strokes
It doesn't help that the rear end's all
Yeah,
bouncy
wobbly.
up and down.
You get to the little nook, don't you? There. Then you go again, don't you?
There you go, that was a bang. You have to follow it right through though.
Yeah, I know that. I think that time I didn't do the little nook. See, on the 250, you get that little nook there. That's TDC, and then you go. But I'm hitting the wall there. I think I'm not hitting it hard enough.
You need to go
But
all
then
the way-
this time I went like that.
you need to go all the way down. See?
Give that a spray now.
Where is it?
Behind you, I think. Fucking hell!
There you go.
You old beast! Woo! Oh, that's sick, that, isn't it?